Oh my gosh, you guys, Abby got the new iPhone 11 Pro. This is crazy. We're gonna ramp my favorite truck in super slow motion today. But first, a slow feed. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the TheRcSaylors. Welcome to our RC family. Today we're gonna take Abby's iPhone 11 Pro, brand new phone with those 3 beautiful lenses, and my DHK Maximus.
Hey, I thought that was my truck.
No, yours is the Pirates 3, remember?
I thought we traded.
No.
I know we traded.
No, we did not. You broke that one.
You broke it.
We're gonna ramp it and have some serious fun at the track today with this amazing metal ramp. Guys, we will have the phone, the truck, and the ramp, all the good stuff linked in the description box below.
I've never gotten a phone on release day. We drove 2 hours yesterday and picked this up for the channel, and so excited. You should see some awesome photos over on Instagram very, very soon. Oh, it's so slow.
It looks good. Oh, we're gonna have some crazy slow motion fun in this video, guys, so let's get right to it and hit that slow motion record button. That's gonna be sweet.
Yeah. All right. Here we are on the iPhone 11 Pro, trying out video for the first time through the front-facing camera. I just upgraded from an iPhone 6s Plus. It has been 4 years since I've had a new phone, and I was ready for this one. So let me get you on this other side of the camera and let's have some fun. All right. Video right now. There's the telephoto, and there's the main. Nate, do something cool for the ultra wide. Drive by, ready? Ultra wide. Oh my gosh! Let's do some slow motion. Where did it go? What'd you break? I already had to move the ramp because you guys couldn't see it land. Oh my stinking God, that's awesome! Do you know what time it is? Nate, do you know what time it is?
Krispy Kreme, baby.
Donut time! Those were the worst donuts I've ever eaten.
Yeah, it's okay. Any donut's better than no donuts at all.
Do you guys think we can ramp over the wall? Nathan thinks we can. Let's do it. Oh my God! First try!
Well, I feel like that was just a match made in heaven.
After every shot, I had to watch it on my phone. This is so cool. The slow motion's awesome. You probably won't see this a lot on the channel, but if you go to our Instagram page, that's where you're gonna see, like, every image on there from here on out is gonna be with the iPhone 11 Pro. Look at that.
I'm gonna push Abby to use the slow motion a lot on the channel. If there's an opportunity to go slow, it's gonna be with that camera. That's amazing. But you guys, you can see why I love this truck, right? It keeps on taking a beating and it just won't stop running. Guys, we'll have the truck linked in the description box below. Abby's new phone if you fall in love with that slow motion. And those amazing ramps are made in America. They're gonna be an amazing Christmas present.
And just in case you were wondering, all that was filmed at 1080p at 240 frames per second, but this can do 4K at 60 frames per second.
So awesome. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.